here's our Beauty and the Beast. Here's her chin, her neckline. Her hair is swept back. His nose, his mouth, his eye, his mane. Beauty and the Beast. Familiar with Microsoft Windows 97 desktop? Yes. Are you?
Not really. Screensaver.
The screensaver.
The screensaver.
Ang City of Page, Arizona is the home of beautiful canyons. At dito makikita ang mapamosong Antelope Canyons, Glen Canyons, Horseshoe Bend Red Rocks Canyon, the Lake Powell, and the Glen Canyon Dam. And I will start our expeditions from our bumpy ride dito sa Upper Antelope Canyon. Papasok na kami sa door sa Antelope. It's sandy siya, para siyang fine sand yung yung dadaanan namin. So parang alikabok siguro to pag mahangin. Bago kami pumasok, binigyan muna kami ng short orientation. At isa sa mga orientation na yon is that we have to follow that taking pictures is by group of 4. Otherwise, do it yourself. It's because we only have 45 minutes tour.
Sand, sediment, debris, lizards, twigs, branches. It kind of uses it and acts like a liquid sandpaper. It's ever smoothing out the inside of the canyon here when we go inside. So you guys all heard of Beauty and the Beast, right? Yes. We have ours. Come on up a little bit more. You can see some of the sand sediment when it comes through the flash flood. It either deposits some or takes some away. And I can't tell if that was deposited or it took 8 inches of sand out on that last flood. But it's ever changing. You can see all the different. So here's our Beauty and the Beast. Here's her chin, her neckline. Her hair is swept back. His nose, his mouth, his eye, his mane. Beauty and the Beast. So you're 4, get them ready. Yep. Stay in your groups. Come on up, come on up. Everybody. So we can jump back here right now, get a picture here. We can get a picture here with this in the background. Let's put that down before they come up. We'll come back here. Come on up. Get back right here. Stay on that circle, stay on that circle. We have our own your group.
Is it still growing?
No, it's dead. It's dead.
No water.
Okay, where's your groups?
Yeah.
Group of 4, where you at?
Here, let's get this one. Gana. Gana. Press.
Maganda siya, maganda. As in, pero mabilisan ang pictures, mabilisan ang video. So, hindi, pasensya na kung hindi gano'ng kaganda yung video kasi lahat ng ano ito sa parang limited. So, mabilisan.
So are you familiar with Microsoft Windows 97 desktop? Yes. Are you?
Already. Screensaver.
The screensaver.
The screensaver.
I can't see it. So here's that one point. So are you familiar with Microsoft Windows 97 desktop? Yes. Are you?
Already. Screensaver.
Shadow naman na.
Right there.
At yun, ang 45-minute tour namin sa loob ng Antelope Canyon. Maganda. Mamangha ka talaga sa ganda. Sa rock wall formation at sa reflection of the lights. Ang hindi maganda, hindi ka talaga makakuha ng maayos sa pictures at video. Maganda sana pero limited lang yung time. Hindi makapicture ng maayos. Hindi makabideo ng maayos. Kasi limited yung oras sa pictures. Mabilisan. Kasi yung camera is hindi talaga siya. Parang sa low light, hindi maganda yung resolution. Mas maganda siguro pag maganda yung ano mo yung camera mo dito. Pero pag cellphone lang, it's not that easy. It's low light, wala siyang light. Kailangan ng magandang camera. This is our 45 minutes tour. Hangak. Sina. Our next stop of the day is a Horseshoe Bend Canyon, a 10 minutes drive away from the city of Bates. This time, we don't need a tour guide. We just drive our own vehicle. Ang Horseshoe Bend is a walk-in attraction in the city of Bates. Grabe, as in super hot dito sa Arizona. Ngayon, it's already 12:30 na noon time. As in super hot, para iba ang init niya, para kang nasa loob ng oven. As in super hot. Meron akong nakita doon na parang hindi naman siya nag-collapse, basta umupol siya siguro sa sobrang init. As in hot na hot talaga. Hindi siya biro na hot. Buti lang may konting shade dito para maka-rest kami sa at least ma-rest, at least ma-ref, konting refreshing lang sa init. Papalapit kami, makakita mo siya talaga na maganda yung ano niya, yung view, natural view talaga, as in Red Rock River. Ang Horseshoe Bend River is roughly 1,000 feet from the top to the rock floor. Ang Horseshoe Bend Canyon is known to its shape. Ang next stop namin ay ang Glen Canyon Dam at ang Powell Lake. Ang Glen Canyon Dam at ang Powell Lake ay isa sa mga pangunahing power and water resources around the city of Page and nearby states. At isa nito sa mga recreational area dito sa states of Arizona, lalo na sa city of Page.